now declare this open.
I couldn't be more pleased with the turnout, and I was so pleased that my locals really did quite well in this international competition for our first one, you know? And I think with all of us working together, we can make this into the next big deal, a destination for travelers to come for the art scene.
Art in Las Vegas has been a long time coming, maturing, growing from literally nothing, except perhaps the artistry of people performing in this city. But now we have all of the things that we were missing. And I think that itself is a good thing for us.
It began last summer when the restaurant next door closed, and you could see that this area was flatlining economically. And Janet really said, I don't know what else to do. I'm doing everything I can. Which I went home and thought about that. And what I came up with was something that I thought would not only help this gallery, but the Las Vegas art community and Las Vegas in general.
We needed artwork, and why leave anybody out? So we invited the world. And then we just started branching out from there until we came up with 9 total different categories of art. And that's how we ended up with all the wide variety that you see here tonight.
I had an idea for the Queen of Hearts 4 years ago, and one piece just led to another. I did the King of Hearts and then the Jack, and I just ended up doing the whole deck.
Well, this is a piece I did in response to another canyon piece I did. The other one looked down in the canyon, and I thought I should do one looking up in the canyon. So I created this. The glass itself took about 30 hours, and then I built a frame for it as well.
I make fractal art, and this is made from mathematical formulas, and it's healing energy art, and it speaks to your soul.
I got an honorable mention. I painted on the piece for about 6 months. Looking through my pictures today, I realized that I actually started this thing last year in July.
So the thought behind it is it's about consciousness, and the idea is that consciousness just changes form.